Hi there and welcome to another MT2Trading tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to subscribe to signal providers from the CopyTrading service our platform offers. By subscribing to a signals provider, you'll be able to receive the signals offered directly to your trading account with the desired amounts and risk management parameters. The first step will be to log in to your selected broker account through the MT2Trading platform. To do so, fill in the blanks with your login details and just hit the OK button. You'll be able to find the CopyTrading service feature on the bottom of your platform, as you can see on the screen. The public providers list will be loaded by default. Here you'll be able to find hundreds of signal providers along with critical information and statistics about their service. In order to find your ideal provider, we recommend you apply filters to the list and adjust the parameters to fit your needs. In this example, we will apply some preloaded filters to the list in order to find the most suitable providers at the moment. As a result, the public providers list is reduced to just a few providers. The next step will be to pick up the ones you find most attractive and analyze their trading statistics. In the first few, we will pick the binary Sniper Premium as it has a good trading record and the signals are totally free. Select the provider's name and head to the right area of the CopyTrading service feature where you can access the provider's trading history. You can view it both in the form of a historical trades table and a profit graph where you will graphically see the profit trades relation for the providers since they first started offering their signal service. Once you've decided to effectively subscribe to a provider, head to the menu on the left area of the CopyTrading service and click on the green plus button. In case you do not have a subscriber account yet, you will need to create one. To do so, just fill in the fields as shown on the screen and press the OK button. In case you already have an account, simply log in. Once you've logged in, click on the green plus button again. A window will pop up where you will need to write the exact name of the signal provider and click OK. Next step will be setting up your own desired configuration for the signals that you will receive. You'll be able to choose a standard trade amount and customize the martingale strategy. When you finish your configuration, it is time for the signals provider to approve your request. Some providers accept automatically all requests, and others will have to accept them manually. In this example, we subscribe to binary Sniper Premium signals, which accept automatically all requests, so you can see on the status tab the word approved. I will now subscribe to another provider, and I've selected Binary Gun, who for this example charges commissions on profits for their signals and also have to manually accept your petition. If you wish to do so, you can chat online for the signal providers via MT2 Chat. This feature will be helpful in case you want to clear doubts with the provider. As you can see on the screen, I've started a conversation with the signal provider before sending my request. Now if I head to my Receive Signal tabs, Binary Gun will be displayed there. Only the Status tab will display the words Pending, as the provider needs to accept my request yet. Once the signal provider starts sending signals to my account, I will see the trades displayed on the Trades table on the left corner of the MT2 platform. Additionally, you can find some useful information on the bottom right hand corner of the CopyTrading service feature, such as the pending invoice and invoice amounts. Invoices will display the total amount to be paid to the signal provider at the end of each month in concept of commissions over the profits that you make on your account with their signals. As you can see, Binary Gun Provider is now telling me he approved my petition. So when I click Update, the status tab will go from pending to approved, and this is good news. The signal provider sent the first signal, as you can see in the trades table on the top left area of the MT2 Trading platform. I will now fast forward until the trade is closed. The trade was a winning one. Therefore, I can click on Update, the provider statistics will be modified, the trade made 80 cents profit, and the signal provider has a 30% fee over profit. This means my pending profit share is now 24 cents. At the end of each calendar month, each subscriber will receive an invoice with a due amount to be paid to their subscribers. In case they fail to pay in a 7-day window, their accounts will be automatically blocked. Therefore, we recommend you pay the profit share invoice on time to continue the copy trading service without interruption. We hope this video is of help and you can subscribe to our amazing providers. Kind regards and happy trades from the MT2 team.